Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify checkout page background. So this could be really simple. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first what we need to do is to change Shopify checkout page background. You need to head over to your online store, themes, and then click on customize. Once you are here, what you need to do is, you can see we have our web page in here, and we're going to be heading over to our checkout page. So you can do that by heading over to your, you can say like your cart, and there you have your cart. Then head over to your checkout page and you can modify every single thing. You can see we have control panel on the left side. We have settings to simply change the logos, colors, and everything. And yeah, so that's how easily you can get your checkout page modified. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.